Lincoln SUV and a...
Alpha 87, I put it to your tablet there. 400 southbound just before Forbes Road. One vehicle in the ditch, one on the right shoulder. One party hit their steer. They're having the steering wheel that says they're okay. Honda Pilot blue. And it looks like the other is a black pickup truck.
Can't see nothing.
Bravo 202 still sticking around that side. That's just a little side. We're really at 5 Bravo 106.
5 Bravo 105.
Yeah, just let you know, I am making my way down 89. I just got stuck in all the mayhem here, so I do think it's a great idea to shut down the northbound side because the visibility is sometimes down to single digits, 10 feet, 9 feet.
I can't see anything across the top.
10-4, and I just called and so they're going to call me back. Reference the closure at 89. Like I said, they went through.
Really, Mike 75?
South down. Main Street was shut down, and they're going to call me back.
It's on there.
Confirm this.
Can I have the OK number for this, please?
Yeah.
10-4, it is 2107 6488 6488.
Adikiran
Yeah,
da.
10-4. There's an early car coming out. I believe that's an early car.
Yeah, Adikiran.
They're coming to check 89 as well.
Yeah, to make it there before he gets ready.
Yeah.
Rob, we're just approaching 88. We'll get 89 shortly. We'll let you know. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, really, it's 30-511. I'm at 89 now. There's no MTO here yet. I've got the on-ramp to the 400 northbound block down here at the moment.
Okay, so again, the MTO is not at 89 as of yet, 10-4, and there's a 30-511 at scene. And you're, sorry, did you say it is closed right now, assisted by a flatbed tow, or?
3511 is the flatbed from Fleet of Aurelia. I've got the northbound on-ramp. Take off here at 89.
Go ahead.
Okay, there's another unit making its way
The
there.
call for the insecure premise, you can clear it off to me.